Welcome to the 6th episode of our video series on marketing research. In this episode, we'll explore primary data collection methods, discussing their advantages, disadvantages, and best practices. Let's dive in. Primary data collection involves gathering data directly from respondents for a specific research project. It allows researchers to obtain tailored, up-to-date information that address their research objectives. There are three main types of primary data collection methods: surveys, interviews, and observations. Surveys are a popular data collection method that involves asking a series of questions to a sample of respondents. Surveys can be conducted through various modes such as online, telephone, or in person. One of its advantages is large-scale data collection. Surveys allow researchers to collect data from a large number of respondents, enabling the generalization of findings. Also, standardization is surveys use structured questionnaires, ensuring that all respondents are asked the same questions in the same order. They are also cost-effective. Online and telephone surveys can be relatively inexpensive, especially when using automated tools or platforms. So, what are some of its disadvantages? You could have limited depth. Surveys may not capture the full range of respondents' thoughts and feelings due to their structured format. There is also the issue of low response rates. Some surveys, particularly online or email surveys, may suffer from low response rates, which can affect the representativeness of the sample. Now, some of the best practices for conducting surveys would be to use clear, concise, and unbiased questions. Also, limit the survey length to avoid respondent fatigue. And test the survey with a small sample before full deployment. Interviews. The interviews involve one-on-one conversation between a researcher and the respondent. They can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, and are typically conducted in person, over the phone, or via video calls. Some of the advantages include depth and nuance. Now, interviews allow for a deeper exploration of respondents' opinions, experiences, and motivations. Another advantage is flexibility. Researchers can adapt the interview process based on respondents' answers, probing further into specific topics. Now, on the disadvantage side, interviews could be time-consuming and costly. Interviews require more time and resources compared to surveys, making them less suitable for large-scale data collection. You could also run into potential interviewer bias. The interviewer's presence can influence respondents' answer, leading to biased results. As for interviews' best practices, use open-ended questions to encourage in-depth responses, develop rapport with respondents to establish trust and facilitate honest responses, and minimize interviewer bias by using standardized interview guides. Observational research. Now, observational research involves the systematic observation and recording of behaviors, events, or interactions without directly questioning respondents. Some of its advantages include natural context. Observational research captures behavior in its natural setting, providing a more accurate representation of real-world interactions. Also, it could minimize response bias. Some respondents are not directly questioned. Observational research can minimize the impact of social desirability bias. On the flip side, some disadvantages include limited control. Researchers have limited control over the observed environment, making it difficult to isolate specific factors influencing behaviors. Also, it could be time-consuming. Observational research can be time-consuming, particularly when studying complex behaviors or interactions. Some of the best practices for observational research include developing a clear observation protocol to ensure consistency among observers. Also, using unobtrusive observation techniques can help minimize the impact on participants' behavior. In addition, combining observational data with other methods can lead to a more comprehensive understanding of the research topic. Now, that concludes our overview of primary data collection methods. By understanding the advantages and limitations of each method, you can choose the most appropriate approach for your marketing research project. In the next episode, we'll delve into sampling techniques including probability and non-probability sampling techniques. Stay tuned and thanks for joining us today.